Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another video, the last one with these box braids for a while until I do my knotless braids. But I am taking these braids out and I just want to show you all how they stayed moisturized. My hair stayed moisturized. My scalp on the other hand, because it's Virginia weather, that's another story, but that's cool. But my hair is definitely moisturized, so it's definitely important to take care of your hair while it's in protective styles, and also to take care of your hair after it has been in a protective style. So I'm just showing you all how I take my braids down, how I'm washing it, how I'm conditioning it. But to see how I moisturize and style it, you have to check out the next video for that one. But that's the process that you're going to see in this video, so just keep watching. Alright y'all, I already started taking my braids out. As you can see, last night I started out taking off the ones around my edges because they were slipping and they were pulling on my hair. So I just knew it was time to take them out. So I just cut them all to the length where my hair stops. So that way I don't have to unravel like the entire thing. On some of the braids that I took out last night, my hair was like, some of it got tangled and I didn't detangle last night, but as you can see, like there's some, can y'all see that? Hold on, let's see. There's some product buildup at the root, some, you know, dirt and whatever. So I just kind of like, if it was a lot, I would pull it out. But y'all can't tell, like I'm running my fingers over my hair and it's moisturized. You see that shine on my fingers? My hair is still moisturized. It is not dry at all. Now, I haven't always taken care of my hair in protective styles like this. Like, when I would go to the salon or whatever, I would take my hair, I would get my hair done, I wouldn't do anything. Maybe moisturize my scalp, but not, like, take care of the hair that's inside the braid. But, you know, now that I'm older and wiser, I've learned some things. So now I'm able to take care of my hair. It is not dry at all. My hair is nice and moisturized and nourished. Alright, I have finished taking out my hair. As y'all saw, I was taking it down. Look how shiny my hair is. Definitely moisturized. Only issues, there's some product buildup, and I kind of got rid of that already. So I'm about to wash my hair. And I decided to use the Yall Organics pomegranate and honey shampoo and conditioner because they are both moisturizing and detangling. So I want to keep my hair moisturized and I want to detangle, so the shampoo and the conditioner have slip. Alright y'all, so the first step in this wash day is to run water through my hair. And I always do this when I wash my hair. I just like to, first of all, since I'm taking out my braids, loosen up the dirt and any buildup, and then kind of use the water to help me get out any tangles and any knots before I actually put shampoo in my hair and really get my hair prepared to shampoo so I don't tangle it up any further. So again, using that pomegranate honey shampoo. Did I put it in there? No, I didn't put it in there yet. Okay, here we go. Using the pomegranate and honey shampoo from Yall Organics. So I'm actually washing my whole entire head and really getting down to my scalp to make sure that it is clean, because I want to get rid of any dirt, buildup, excess oil on my scalp as well as on my hair. And I'm going in with my Felicia Atwood leather. I can never remember the name of this brush. Oh my god. Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. And I was actually able to detangle. It's a little rough. It's not as much slip as I thought it would be, but I was actually able to brush through the hair pretty successfully. You just have to take your time. Of course, you're just not going to be able to glide your brush through, but you know, I took my time and just worked out some tangles because I wanted to detangle at every stage possible during this process. because you know when your hair is in protective styles, it's not able to shed. So I wanted to detangle and get rid of as much shed hair as possible. So I've washed both sides of my hair, so now I'm just rinsing the shampoo out. I like to use hot water when I'm cleaning my hair. Now onto the conditioner. Took about a palm full there. That was probably 8 to 10 pumps. And I'm going to put that all over my hair. I didn't split my hair in sections this time. So just doing one coating, and it smells good. Y'all know I'm all about smells. And then I'm just going to go through and pull out small sections to detangle. As you can see, that just glided through so easily. You know, I was detangling, taking down the braids, and detangling with the shampooing process. And now with this conditioning process, detangling is just super easy. So even though I sped it up, this brush is gliding through very quickly. And as I detangle my hair, I like to turn it in different directions just to make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled, because just because I can comb through it one way doesn't mean I can flip my hair and comb through it another way. So that's how I know it'll get detangled, if I can flip through it both ways. And there's my shed hair. Alright y'all, my camera cut off while I was rinsing the conditioner out of my hair, but as you can see, my hair is clean, conditioned, it's moisturized, it feels really soft. I like using that pomegranate honey. That's pretty dope. So yeah, that was me taking out my hair, taking care of it afterwards. Now I'm just gonna moisturize and style it, but to see that, you'll have to wait for my next video. But that is it for today's video, beauties. And that's it for braids for a little bit until I do my knotless braids next month. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.